what's our plan?
Hello and welcome to Beyond Gigs. In this video, I am going to do the trailer breakdown of Falcon and Winter Soldier, which was released after several months of waiting. So let's break it down.
The legacy of that shield is complicated.
The world. Is upside down.
In first shot, we have some old pictures and posters of Captain America, like Captain holding the taxi door as a shield, giving order to his troops, and Captain's physique before and after use of the Super Soldier Serum. We have a shot of Captain America's The Avengers suit. We can see Sam's reflection on the glass case of Cap's shield, showing that this shield's legacy belongs to him. Sam says that the shield's legacy is complicated, cause wield that shield, you have to be worthy to lift Mjolnir. Nah, just kidding. But you should be worthy to serve as an honest soldier and a great leader. We have a shot of some SUVs moving towards an oil refinery. I think this is somewhere in Middle East, cause in some shot of this trailer, we can see Falcon flying over some desert or a canyon. Marvel has described this series as a worldwide adventure. Next shot shows us Bucky and Sam in a cyberpunk-like city. Some articles say that this is Tokyo, but I think this is Madripoor, a fictional island in the Southeast Asia between Singapore and Sumatra, like fictional places in MCU, Sokovia and Wakanda. In this scene, we can see some police or armed forces in riot gears. This is in Germany, cause the justice written in German, and I think that Zemo has escaped this Berlin prison. We have a shot of Aaron Kellymer's character wearing a mask with a red handprint on it, like a bird print on a murderer's face. There are some different possibilities that who she might be. I think she might be Echo, a female version of Flag Smasher, or a Songbird. Echo, who have the same kind of print on her face after her father's death. He was a mob enforcer working for Kingpin, or Flag Smasher, who uses language of violence to maintain the peace in the world. The Flag Smasher have a group named Ultimatum, which we can see in this series, or Songbird, a member of Thunderbolts. Thunderbolt is a group of reformed supercriminals. This team is commanded by Zemo, and we know that Zemo is returning in this series from some previous images.
People need something to get behind.
In this clip, we can see Sam's family house, which we have seen before in the Big Game spot of Disney+. In next clip, I think Bucky and Sam are traveling somewhere in the fishing boat, maybe to Madripoor. This fishing boat and companies belongs to Sam's family, the Wilson's Fishing Company. And I think in this suitcase there is Sam's new Falcon suit, which is inspired from comic books. In this shot, we can see a convoy of some cars and bikes moving towards Madripoor. We have some set photos showing that Bucky, Sam, Sharon Carter, who is returning in this series, and Zemo are having a meeting or maybe a clash in Madripoor, and this convoy attacked them. And from the set images, I can say that Zemo is not part of this convoy, cause he is also taking cover from the bullets, and this guy looks like his bodyguard. In next clip, Bucky and Falcon are exiting from a warehouse. If we look closely to this warehouse, we can see Falcon's drone flying over him. We have seen this warehouse in some set images. We have a shot of Sokovia's tragedy memorial, and Zemo is remembering his family, cause they died in the attack of Ultron. In next shot, government is introducing a new Captain America as US agent, aka Super Patriot. We have a cool shot of Bucky on a sports bike. In next shot, we can see a heist-like scene where this antagonist group, I think Ultimatums or Thunderbolts, are trying to loot or hijack this truck. And we can see US agent and Batroc the Leaper in his purple and yellow comic book style suit landing from the helicopter on the truck. We have seen Batroc the Leaper in his purple and yellow suit in some set images. We have a shot of helicopter explosion. This helicopter explosion scene is from the helicopter chasing Falcon later coming in this trailer, cause we can see Falcon flying through the explosion. In this shot, Falcon is fighting with Aaron Kellyman's character, which I think is female version of Flag Smasher or Echo or Songbird. All these characters are trained in martial arts. This shot is kinda nostalgic, Bucky is asking for a plan to Sam and he just jumps out of the plane. Similar scene we have watched in the Avengers.
We need a plan of attack!
I have a plan. Attack.
In this shot, we have a look at Falcon's new suit and a cool helicopter chase. In last shot of the trailer, Sam is making fun of Bucky's crazy brain, and I think this is before or after a truck heist scene cause of his country road. So this was my trailer breakdown of Falcon and Winter Soldier. This series is dealing with Zemo's crazy team of criminals and our dope duo dealing with them. Share your fan theories in the comment section. Like the video and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Follow me on socials, the links are in the description. Thank you for watching.